Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to switch to professional mode on X. Why would you want to know how to switch to professional mode on X? Well, maybe it is your first time using X and not sure how to switch to professional mode on X. So today I'm going to show you how to switch to professional mode on X. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Switching to professional mode on X is quite simple and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open X app. Now you are seeing profile picture in top left corner. Click on it. Now you are seeing different buttons. Click on profile. Click on edit profile. Scroll down. Here you are seeing switch to professional. Click on it. Agree terms and conditions and your account will be switched to professional mode. There you go. If you wanted to know how to switch to professional mode on X, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.